white soldier on. No one will know I'm gone, coping all on my own, coping all on my own, coping all on my own. Never really had a home. I see the river and I will go swim. I'll feel the water on my skin. I'm alive, gonna do a big old dive. Feel the water on my skin. My bones feel cold still. I feel warm in my soul. No need for anything more. Coping all on my own, coping all on my own, coping all on my own. I never really had a home. Coping all on my own, coping all on my own, coping all on my own. Never really had a...
Good morning. It is Sunday, the 2nd of March, and apparently spring has sprung. It's a lovely morning, it's cold, sun's coming up, and it doesn't look like there's that much snow on the summit. I can see the summit from here. But today I'm up in the Trossachs. I'm going to be doing a Corbett Ben Ledi. Maybe about 10 minutes in. I started at 7:30, so about 10 minutes into it, just going up this well-defined path. Really warm to start with. You're straight into it, straight to the car and straight into it, so there's no break you in gently. A couple of 100-metre walk till you get to the ascent. You're straight at the car and straight into it. But it's a stunning morning, absolutely stunning morning. I believe the weather forecast is to deteriorate as the day goes on, so I got up as early as I could to come up. I think it says by maybe 12 o'clock we'll maybe get high winds. There could be some showers of rain, so hopefully I'll be on my way down. But then that'll bring you back in a bit. Well, what do you know? Here you go, your very own shit tree. Brilliant. Take it home, people. That's me been walking. So around about the hour mark, about 55 minutes or something. 2.3 mile we've done, and our total ascent is 431 metres, so we're not kicking arse off halfway. Really a lovely day. They predicted winds might be coming in a wee bit earlier than forecast. Starting to gust up the now, but the main thing is it's dry. It's dry and there's good visibility at the moment. A wee bit hazy, as you can see there. It's a bit hazy. Just took a crawling down Vorlich. Still cloud free, which is no bad. I think that's maybe Ben Each in front of it. I'm not too sure. It's just looking over at this region over here. Further north, a lot of the mountains up here still get a good bit of snow on them, but not much in the way of snow here. When I got out of the car this morning, I said I seen a wee dusting at the summit, but nothing to write home about. I do have my spikes with me, but I don't think I'll need them. But it's always best to have them in case you come to some icy bits at the top. But I'll plod on, get a wee rest when I get to this corner bit before you go into the ridge proper. take on some fluids, maybe a wee bit of tablet or something. So I'll bring you back in a wee bit. There's a wee look at Loch Venica. In the background you've got the Campsie Fells. I think that's just make out Dumgoyne. This wee lump. I'm going to go for a pick up. Wee lump about here. Arrow seat about there in the Clag. Something else, Ben Lomond, Mark Alps, Benvenue. Stunning, absolutely stunning. I found a wee shelter spot. I take on some fluids and that just before I get up to the summit. The wind's horrendous out there. Oh. That'll wake you up in the morning, boy. Cracking day, cracking wee hill this. Absolutely love it. See, I've done it before. Done it a long time ago, before I vlogged and all that. And I don't really have much recollection of it. I just know I done it with Brian and Craig a long time. I remember it was claggy. I think me and Brian had a wee can of beer. I think there's a wee dip here. I made a can of beer in there. But apart from that, that's all I can remember it. But so far so good. If you're ever thinking starting out hiking, this and Benvenue is a good start point for you. Cracking wee hills, good cracking path on this one. Probably all the way to the summit there's a good path. But it is steep, don't be wrong, it is steep in places. But it'd be a good marker point to see if you'd be interested in hiking or no. But as I say, so far so good. Right, that's us at the summit of Ben Ledi at 879 metres, and it took us an hour and 50 minutes. Fantastic hike, great weather, absolutely stunning day. A wee bit chilly in the wind, but who's complaining? It's dry, it's dry. Oh, so I am going to do the loop want to do the loop. I think with me done it, we come up straight back down, so I'm going to do the loop along this ridge and down, see what it's like. I've got my spikes, there is a wee bit of snow in that up here, so I've got the spikes with me. It is a bit steep on the other side. That's where we just come off a steep wee bugger. I probably could have and should have put my spikes on near the very start of the descent, but I'd had them on all of 5 minutes. I was lazy and just basically skirted round about what I could of the ice and snow. But as I say, I'd had them on for 5 minutes. I knew it would clear further down I got. But I'm so glad I came this way now. I'm sure when we done it, we never done the loop. We come up straight down. And everybody, I think that the hill's quite busy today. Most people I've seen have come up to the summit and went back down the same way, so I might have this descent to myself. Aye, so far so good. I've enjoyed it. It's a back of 9. I've got lunch and everything with me. I might stop down here at the trees and get a wee brew on, a wee bar of chocolate. That sounds good. That sounds good. I might even have my sandwich at home. I might be back in time for lunchtime. Oh, you bastard! Nearly a penalty at Rangers. Oh fuck! Aye, brilliant. I'll not say too much about that, but anyway. If you know, you know. There we are. That was lucky. I just set it up, and as soon as it got up in the air, it says critical low battery warning, landing now. Could have been in a river or anything, but luckily enough I've got it. Seems okay. That's me had a brew. Back on the main path, and the clag is just starting to shroud the summit of Ben Ledi. So, all good, all good. I thought it was going to rain a wee second ago, but it's not came to nothing. So, I say it's just a head out here. If I see anything along the way of interest, I'll let you see it. But other than that, I'm on the home stretch, and it's still early doors yet. I mean, I had a wee mess about with the drone there. Had a brew. Actually, I had one of my sandwiches just for the sake, yeah. Because it was there. I'm not even hungry. Because it was there, I had a sandwich. But I'll bring these back in a wee bit. There you go, guys. I'm on this really well defined path now. I think it's like I saw the way back to the car now. But I was thinking there, I'm so glad it was windy at the summit, because the normal place you're going to fly your drone is at the summit. Now in my eyes, I've only got 2 batteries. In my eyes, both batteries were charged, and I've not flew the drone for a long time, because the last few times I've had it, I've not had a chance to fly it. It's bad weather, windy, whatever. So if I'd have flown it at the summit, it could have went anywhere, because it wasn't coming back. So a wee bit of somebody's looking out for me there. So I hate losing kit. Absolutely hate it. I see when the guys put up a post and I've lost some kit, it makes my blood boil, losing kit. I hate it, I hate it. But hey ho, somebody's watching over me. I've still got my drone, it's still working. Brilliant. This is done back at the car. Well, I'm over 4 hours and 10 minutes. Covered 10.2 mile or something. Cracking day, 860 metres ascent. Brilliant day, totally recommend it. Ideal first hike if anybody wants to do a first hike. And to get to car back without a spot of rain is actually ideal. And saying that, I've got a new Gore-Tex jacket I was hoping to try out today, but no doubt I'll get a shot of that at some point. But if you've managed to watch it this far, thanks for watching. Give us a like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.